Right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about this old girl here. We've got a Mark IV R32, 3.2 litre, normally a naturally aspirated engine, so you're a bit restricted on what you can do to make big power out of them, unless you go down the route of a supercharger or a turbocharger kit, which is what we have here. Currently this is running the HPA turbo kit. It's the 7670 EFR Borg Warner turbo. I didn't quite sound right, that. It's the Borg Warner 7670 EFR turbo. Same thing, just in different order. Yeah, so it's running the turbo kit. It's got the cooler kit on there, so it's a liquid cooled manifold with an auxiliary radiator and water pump along the front of the vehicle to help with the cooling. It's currently still obviously in the making. There's not long left now till we're getting the turn on the key. This particular vehicle initially came to us with just simply the bolt-on kit with the head spacer. So when we stripped it to change to put the head spacer in the gaskets, we found that there was some piston and bore damage. So while we were at it, we flipped the engine out, we built the motor, we put that back in there. It's running Wozner pistons, AP rods, and Ferreira drivetrain, valve train in there, valve train in there. Yeah, so currently we should be good for seeing about 450 horsepower out of this, but what we will be doing is we will be bringing you a video of the vehicle on the dyno on the road once it's complete, so you can see what that's about. So yeah, so currently working with the guys at HPA to get the calibration all ready and complete, and then we can hit the dyno, hit the road, and bring you some more info on this vehicle. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in for the video. This car has been with us for quite some time now, so seeing the back of it for me is going to be a good day, and also the customer getting it back will be a good day for him. Personally, this is the first R32 build I've done with a turbo on it. First one I'll get to drive, so I'm excited to see the results and see how it drives, see how it puts the power down. So like I say, we'll bring you some more content on this vehicle when it's complete. Thanks for viewing. Hit the subscribe button at the bottom, whatever side you might find it on. Follow us and we'll continue to try and bring you some content, and the content that you love.